Hello guys, Yulianna is here. Today in this video I would like to talk about money and share with you the best tips to become a millionaire. It would be great if I knew all of those things earlier. It would be much easier for me to become successful and achieve those things and those results as I have now. Make sure to watch this video until the end, because I wish I could see this video when I was younger. Some of those tips might not be related to money directly, but they helped me grow financially much more than some expensive financial courses and trainings I bought. Please don't forget to press that like button, it will help me tremendously, and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. So let's start. First one, avoid debt and don't rely on your credit card. Unfortunately, the modern bank system makes it so easy to borrow money. But if you don't pay it in time, you will ruin your credit score and it will hurt you in the future a lot. Before I moved to Canada, I couldn't even imagine that one of the most important things in life is to have a good credit score. To be honest with you, I have never ever taken any credit or loan in my life. It was a totally different lifestyle than here. If you are watching this video from Canada or from the United States or from some other country where you have a similar financial system, you should be very careful and do your best to start building a good credit score as soon as possible. Many advisors will suggest for you don't use your credit cards. However, I will suggest to you use it, but in a smart way. It would be foolish to pay everything with a debit card and have nothing in return when you can pay with your credit card and collect points, air miles, receive cashbacks or some other rewards. You know, I became so used for this system that when I had to pay for my son's daycare using a transfer, which means directly from my checking account, not from my credit card, and I was quite upset that I will not get any cashbacks for those transactions. Considering that daycares are quite expensive in Canada, I am losing quite good cashbacks. Shortly, use your credit card whenever you can, but pay it as soon as you get your statement. First of all, it will help you to build a good credit score. Second, you will be able to use all the benefits of your credit card. And the most important, you will not overpay that super expensive charges. Next one, don't be scared to fail. Many young people don't start any business or something new not because they don't know how to do it, but because they are scared to fail. It's okay to fail sometimes. Everyone has great moments in their life and failures too. It's part of our life. Unfortunately, you will not be able to have your own experience without your own up and down moments. Failure is part of success. It is very important to remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of success. If you never try or if you give up after one failure, you will never progress to your full potential. Let me share with you my story. When I was writing my PhD dissertation and it was totally ready for defense, process of defending doctoral dissertations includes 2 rounds. First one in the university where you write it, and second one before the special counsel on behalf of the Ministry of Education. So I successfully defended it in my university and was preparing all the documents to defend it before the council. But by the protocol, this procedure should take around 4 months between those 2 rounds of defending. While I was preparing all the documents for my second defense before the council, we had a revolution in my country and all the economic system was changed totally. So recommendations which I prepared in my dissertations lost relevance. I had 2 options: to give up or start from the beginning, from scratch. Of course, I was super stressed out. All of those years I was working on it, all of those years of research simply were wasted. It took me 3 months of thinking and trying to convince myself, first of all, to write a new one on a similar topic again. But I didn't give up. I wrote a new dissertation totally from scratch. I used only one paragraph from my previous dissertation. And to be honest, it took me much less time to prepare it than my first dissertation, as I had experience and I was super motivated to finish it as soon as possible. I remember I was working on it every day from morning to evening. I didn't have vacations, I didn't have days off, I didn't have some exceptions. I had to finish it and defend it successfully as soon as possible. So I successfully defended my dissertation and I got my title. All my colleagues at the university, they saw my efforts at my work. So as soon as I defended it, I got offer from my dean to have a new position as a vice dean of international relationships. I was so proud of myself and so happy. In the end, my failure, even if it wasn't because of me, led me to much bigger success than I could even imagine. Don't be scared to fail. Just follow your heart and you will achieve your goals. If you want some push or you are waiting for some special moment, let's say, this is that special moment. I give you that push. Start working towards your dreams, towards your goals, and believe me, you will achieve. Next one, think how to make more, not how to save more. Try your best to find all possible ways to make more money. Nowadays, there are so many ways to make more money out of your home. In my channel, I shared so many videos about how to make extra money online or offline, make money as a side hustle or as a passive income. I will add some links in the description so you can watch those videos to get more ideas and more inspiration. So the idea is you should have a mentality not how to buy cheaper things, but how to make more money to be able to afford all things you would like to have. If you will train your brain to think how to make more money, believe me, you will find different ways to make money. Next one, value your time. Time is most valuable asset you have. Don't waste it dreaming about a better life. Create it. Use your time wisely. Try new things, different professions, and then you will figure out where your passion is and how to make money on it. Many young people don't have bills or dependents. This is the best time to start something new and try if it works for you. Don't delay your dreams. Start working towards them, and one day you will be happy for that decision and for all of your efforts. I would like to share with you a 5-minute rule which helps me a lot. I'm sure you know the word procrastination. We all have been there when we want to delay our dreams just a little bit more. It is called procrastination. My 5-minute rule is that if you want to do something but you are delaying it, just start it and work on it at least 5 minutes. The most important and actually the hardest is to start. Then the process starts getting you into it, and usually you will try to do as much as you can to be able to finish your tasks. Just start working at least 5 minutes and then you will decide if you will continue or do something else. 5 minutes is still better than nothing. Next one, work smarter, not harder. There are so many people who are working really hard, but it doesn't mean that they are successful. Try to organize your working process in a smart and comfortable way. Don't try to do everything yourself. If you don't know something, you can spend time and learn it by making some mistakes while learning. Or you can hire someone who can do a high-quality job for you from the beginning. I'm talking all the time. Try to find more than one way of making money. Be open to different opportunities. Try new things. You can go daily to work from 9 to 5 and make, let's say, $3,000 per month. Or you can offer some online services to your clients and making the same $3,000 per month. But you will spend much less time making the same money. Plus, you can benefit from deducting your business expenses. I call it making more money easier. Next one, build connections. It is super important to have good connections. Try to have good relationships with everyone, but close friendships with those who takes you up, who motivates you to become a better version of yourself and help you to get closer to your dreams. Of course, ideally, if that friendship is beneficial for both of you. I think thanks to connection, I started my business here in Canada. because my friends knew that I'm building websites, so they started recommending my services to their friends. And this was exactly the way I started my business around 6 years ago. You never know who might help you in the future, or maybe you will have someone who needs you in their weak time. Try to build connections with like-minded people so it will be easier for you to achieve your dreams. They will understand your worries and they might give you some advices from their own experience. Imagine your close connections would be Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. Do you think it would influence your life? What advices could you get from them? This is exactly what I'm talking about. You are an average of your 5 friends. In all means, in success, in income, in achievements. So try to build your close bubble, close connection really carefully. Tell me who is your friend and I will tell you who you are. In other words, tell me who is your friend and I will understand your personality better. So try to choose your close surrounding really carefully and minimize contacts with those who takes you down. That's it, guys. I hope you got value from this video. Make sure to subscribe if you wanna grow your wealth. See you in my next video.